Hey guys, it's Salome with Surf Training Factory, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a stump. Hey guys, so I got this new FCS Gabriel Medina signature stomp pad, and I'm going to replace that one, take this one off, and put this one on top of it. I already started to replace some, to take some off. So what I use hot water and then acetone to remove the glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour the hot water onto the stomp pad to make the glue hot. And then what you do is before it cools down, you start pulling it off. And you can use the wax comb to help you, lift it up a little so you can pull, and you do have to use some strength to get it out, but if I can do it, you guys can do it too. So this is a 5-piece 4 or 5-piece stomp pad, so it is a little harder than the 1 pieces and the 2 or 3. It really depends on the stomp pad and who designed it, if it's on 1 piece or 5 or 7. Now it's just pulling hard and getting it off. And then after that, I'm going to use acetone and a little towel to remove the glue because it doesn't really come off with the hot water. Okay, so I'm still finishing this up. I'm at the end of it. I'm just going to pull everything off still. And you see the glue that's still on there? We're going to have to use acetone to remove that glue because it is stuck on there for sure. This is the end. We got this. It is coming off pieces by pieces just because it has been on there for so long now. That's why it's time for it. I don't know about you guys, but I like putting new wax on and like taking my wax off and putting new, and like taking a stomp pad off and putting a new one in. New stuff are cool. Okay, so I got the whole stomp pad off. Now I'm just gonna dry off the water, just so the acetone actually works. It's really fast. And then now I'm gonna get the acetone, if I can open it. I'm going to use this too. Can you open it? Yep. Perfect. I'm going to use the other side of the cloth, and I'm just going to pour a little tiny bit. And then get it onto the surfboard. And it is going to take a little bit because this glue is so stuck on there. And if you want to use your wax comb as well to get the wax off, it's completely fine. It's really the easiest way to remove the wax, however it works for you guys. But you need to make sure that you remove the glue before you put any other stomp pads on there, because then the stomp pad with this glue will not glue on here. That's a lot of glue. But yes, you know what I'm trying to say.